Akiaria ari mwena wa Naivasha hingo ya kigomano na maabitha ruhonge rwa waki wa barabara bururi-ini ni ruo Kenha, Wabukara augite kamiti ya EACC ni irarumirira wongerereku wa ciiko ici na iria ithiite na mbere na kuhotomia ukinyaniru wa tabarĩra citiganite cia uthii wa na mbere.
The infrastructure sector, particularly the implementation of public infrastructure projects, have not been spared of the dangerous cancer of corruption.
Kuringana na Wabukara, imwe wa ciiko cia ungumania iria igumeire honge ici ni uheani na woi wa mahaki, uhuthiri muru wa kigina undu umwe na gutiganirio kwa tabarĩra cia uthii wa na mbere hamwe na mangi.
Collusion, bid rigging, embezzlement, fraud, incomplete and abandoned projects.
Gukiri uguo Wabukara ni urite maabitha ya Kenya kugea na wigiriki wira-ini wao, akiuga kamiti ya EACC ndigukore kiunira ritho abitha wothe wa thirikari uria ukunyitikana na ciiko cia ungumania.
These malpractices range from payments for works not done, conflict of interest, irregular variation of contracts, and road designs to facilitate undesirable shortcuts.
Mwena-ini wake muikethigiti wa ruhonge ruru rwa Kenya Engineer wa Gaidirangu augite ni magacĩrithitie mitambo na murutire wa wira makiri ithimiro-ini cia ngari barabara-ini kana way bridges na iria hau gabere ciana kũrĩ igũmĩirwo nĩ ciiko cia ungumania.
The board takes this training very seriously in the spirit of continuous improvement. Particularly, the board is keen to equip our officers with the right information and skills to handle the emerging face of corruption.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni wa Ng'ombe wa Maina.